Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to exclude Temu from Google search. Let's say, for example, we wanted to find Temu right here. I'm going to hit on enter. And here, as you can see, we'll be able to find Temu. Or when we type on a dress, for example, we find clothing or any product, the Temu ads will show up. All right. The way to eliminate ads on Google search from Temu is just basically tap on the three dots right here and you will see remove ad. All right, as you can see here, I don't have that option anymore because I already removed the ads from Temu in my Google search. Let's say, for example, I'm going to type in Shein because I haven't removed the ads from Shein. All right, as you can see here, when we tap on the three dots, as you can see, we'll be able to block ads from Shein. All right, same as Temu. Just go ahead and do the exact same process. All right, now let's say, for example, you wanted to find a particular product. Right? For example, a phone, cases, of course. Now, the way to remove or exclude Temu from Google search is just basically typing in minus Temu. All right. Once done, just hit on enter. Now, as you can see, you'll be able to see Temu right here in the search results. All right. As you can see here, that's basically how you exclude something, or Temu specifically, as the title suggests, from Google search. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.